Hello dear student, this tutorial is going to be important for you because we will draw various angles by using only ruler and compass. Means here we will do practical geometry. Many students having confusion about drawing this angle. So here your problem will be sorted out. So first upon you must have ruler with you. Then you have to arrange your ruler and you can plot one straight line. So here I am doing measurement around 8 centimeter, and then I just put it outside, and now you have to use compass, and I here show you how you can plot 60-degree angle. So you must have compass with you, and you have to arrange that compass pointer in particular end point. So here I am going to plot 60-degree angle, and you have to take the measurement which will show the distance between your pencil pointer and pointer of your compass. So then you have to draw the biggest arc. So I am drawing one arc like that. Once you have completed the arc, then your next step is you have to change position of your compass and keep it on the next point, which is the intersection of that arc and the straight line. And then here one thing you have to keep in mind, you should not change the distance between your compass pointer and pencil. So next arc you have to do that angle represent 60-degree. So when you draw the straight line from this point to this intersection of arc, it will represent from this point and the intersection of arc, then this will represent the 60-degree angle. So here I am showing you at a time 60 and 120-degree angle. So again you have to place it here, and again you have to draw the small arc. So now 2 times we have done arc, and in this process you should not change the distance whatever you have taken. Now here the work of compass is over. Now here you have to plot the straight line from this point. So this angle, it is exactly an angle of 60-degree. And what about the angle of 120-degree? Quite simple. It is double of 60. So that's the reason this angle is known as 120-degree. This complete angle is an angle of 120-degree. So here you got a clear-cut idea how to make 60 and 120. Now I show you here how you can plot a 90-degree angle. So I just tell you friend, 90-degree which is present in between 60 and 120. You have to in short calculate the center point of that. By using that you can use the average formula. 60 plus 180, it is how much? Divided by 2. So it is 180 by 2 means it is 90. Okay, so that's the reason this is 60 and this is 120. So you have to find middle point. So for that you have to use perpendicular bisector. So again we need the use of compass. So this is my compass, and you have to take this point in here in the 60-degree angle. So here actually this point I require here, and then if you want you can increase the distance of compass according to your comfortness, but once whatever the distance you are taking, same distance should be here in between pencil and your compass pointer. So I am going to make one arc here. Now I am changing its position on the 120-degree angle, and it's time to make second arc which will cross to the previous one. So that's it. And now you have to draw the straight line. So that angle, it is exactly 90-degree angle. You observe, this is what a 90-degree angle. Okay, you can give the name here O, this is A, this is what you can say B is somewhere, whatever the line distance is there, that is the secondary part, but this is what 90-degree angle. And if I take C point here, so C O A, it is what 60-degree. If I take here point M, so here M O A, that is 120-degree angle. So now here you understood how to make 60, 120 and 90. Then now in the next part we will see two important angle, 105 and 75-degree. So here I tell you, dear student, that 105, that is greater than 90 and less than 120. So it is present in between this. Okay. So here I am writing 120 plus 90. So now I am focusing on 105. So you do the addition. So it is 105. So that angle, it is greater than 90 and less than 120. So it is present in between that. So you have to plot perpendicular bisector between these two. So here 120 is here, as you know, and where is 90? Here it is 90. So here only we will draw this. So again I repeat, this is straight line is a 90 and this is 120 angle. So you have to take the help of your compass. You have to put carefully in 120-degree angle, and here you can draw the arc. Whatever the distance you are taking, you should not change that distance, and with the same distance between pencil and compass pointer, you have to take it here. And here I am drawing the second arc. Then here you should draw the line. So this is what you can say, this angle is 105. So here many angles are coming. So this is 105. I am giving some particular name. Suppose it is X. So this X O Y, this is what the angle of 105. Now it is a time to plot 75-degree angle. So now here I am going to show you the angle which is 75-degree. So it is definitely greater than 60 and less than 90. So it is present in between 60 and 90. So 60 you can cross check, plus 90 divided by 2. So calculation you have to do 150 upon 2. So that is what 75. Means you have to calculate their average, and you can test out that is present in between 60 and 90. So where is 60? This is known as a 60. Now here I am changing the color. So 60 is where, this is what 60-degree, and 90 is where, this is 90. So in between two it is present. Now you need again compass that should be present on 60-degree angle, right? So I just reduce it. So now here I am going to draw the arc, and I'm just changing its, I'm now changing the compass in the second, you can say I'm changing compass in the second point, that is at 90-degree. You draw the arc. Now here compass work is over. So I am closing, and you have to plot the line. So the last one is a angle of 75-degree. This is exactly 75. And here I can give the name for this angle, which is, you can give any one. So it is YOA. This angle is YOA. So you can observe I have designed the various angle This the first one was 60, 120. It is quite easy. 90 which is present in between 60 and 120. Okay, so that's the reason we have calculated its average, because the 90 is present in between 60 and 120. 105, that value which is less than 120 and greater than 90. So we have done calculation, it is present in between 120 and 90. Third one, 75, greater than 60 and less than 90, and this value, it is the middle of 60 and 90. That you can keep in mind. You can do calculation like that, so you will understand. So in this video you got to know how you can plot this angle by using only and only ruler and compass. Thanks for watching. Thank you.